We've all seen those old school classic Christmas cards. You know, the ones with the cozy house with candlelit windows, the old brick chimneys, and a dusting of magic in the air. They aren't just the types of things you see on the shelf or on the cover of a book full of seasonal stories. They're real, and they're right here on Delmarva.
So you can log off Pinterest and turn off the Hallmark channel and take a tour of historic homes that will be dressed in their holiday best and ring in that cozy feeling we all enjoy. And with us to explain how is Betsy Cottingham, the Vice President and Events Chairman with the Somerset County Historical Society. So good to see you. Thanks for being here. So for those who are not familiar, what makes this tour so special?
Well, the Historical Society has been in place for 60 years, and this year we're celebrating the 250th anniversary of our country. So the houses that we have selected are the oldest, some of the oldest houses in the county, and they were built in the 1700s.
Wow.
Wow. So those are some pretty old homes.
There are some pretty old homes that have been lovingly restored.
Mm-hmm. And it's not just the homes, though, that you're touring during the...
No, we're also doing 3 churches. The Rehoboth Presbyterian Church, which is supposed to be the oldest Presbyterian church in the country. Mm-hmm. Also the Presbyterian Church in Princess Anne. And it's a gorgeous, and also the St. Andrew's, which is the Episcopal Church, and they will do handbell ringing between 11 and 12 during the tour.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
So it's not just one town. This is could be several towns, I guess.
We're covering the county. We're going from Shelltown to Westover to Marion Station to Mount Vernon and Princess Anne.
Wow.
Sounds like a good time. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the Historical Society. This obviously is a fundraiser, correct?
Correct.
And
yes.
how do you use the money you raise?
It is for the preservation of 3 buildings that we own, primarily the Teagle Mansion, which was built in the early 1800s, also the Sarah Martin Dunn House, and the Somerset Choice Antiques, which is an antique shop in Princess Anne that also is our biggest money maker for us.
Okay.
Wow. So this is a great opportunity for people to see inside some of those homes that they wouldn't normally get an opportunity to see.
Correct. Some have never been on the tour before.
So are there any favorites?
Oh, that is hard to say. I won't go there.
No, you're not gonna. They're all equally beautiful.
Yes,
and I
yes.
imagine then they're all going to be decked out in traditional holiday decor.
Yes,
Yeah.
they'll be fantastic. And the Glebe House, which is in the middle of restoration. So that should be interesting just to see the process that's people have to go through to restore an old home.
Yeah, because that's not just, you just don't go in there and decide for yourself how you're going to restore it. It has to be done a certain way.
Correct, right.
Are they all Historical Society homes, or are they private homes? Or?
They're all private homes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. So give us the event details. When and what time?
The event is Saturday, December 6th. It's from 10 to 5. It's a self-driving tour. The tickets are $25. You get your wristband and program with the maps for the location of the homes. They can be picked up at 9:30 at Somerset Choice Antiques in Princess Anne or at the Teagle Mansion.
Okay. And we will put all that information on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Just click on what's happening today. A perfect way to kick off the holiday season, wouldn't you say?
I think so.
Betsy, thank you so much for coming in this afternoon, and good luck with the tour.
Thank you very much.